Hey guys, Coach Katie here with Coach Juice. We're going to show you this week's Monday's Muscle Minute Workout. So we're going to have 3 groupings of 3 exercises. You'll do each exercise for 60 seconds. You'll have about 5 to 10 seconds to switch to the next exercise. We're going to go through this for 2 rounds. You ready, Juice? Ready. Rock on. So exercise number 1 is going to be our walkout push-ups. You're going to fold over at the hips. You're going to nice and controlled walk out, roll up those abs, get your push-up in, hike back up, walk back in. Now you're not going to straighten up. You're just going to walk back in and then right back out. Squeeze, press back away, hike back up. You're getting a nice stretch through the hamstrings here. Now you can also go down from the toes, lower the knees, push back up, and then hike back up, walking back in. You could walk out and then lower your knees and get your push-up in from your knees. So whichever modification you need for your push-up there, walk out push-ups, exercise number 1. Number 2, we're going side lunges. So if you want to hold a weight here, great. You're going to take a big step over and then push back away. Making sure the knee tracks over the toes, keeping that chest up. And as you step over, deep breath in, push back away with that lunging leg. So 60 seconds, I would recommend 5 on one side and then switch to 5 on the other. You could always do 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other. If you want to go 1 round on one leg and switch in the next round, you're crazy, but you can do it. And then the third exercise, the first pairing, is bag clean and squat. So nice big proud chest, use those hips, clean that bag up, take a deep breath in, drive back out of that squat and then reset. So it's a bag clean with a bag squat each time. That's the first 3. Then we're moving on. You get a little break in between groupings. We're going to start the next set with a half kneeling overhead press. So you could go with the kettlebell here. We're going to show you some different options. So the knee on the floor is going to be the arm that you're pressing with. Now here you can hold the ball of the kettlebell here. If you get a kettlebell that's a little lighter in weight, you could hold the handle, but it definitely takes a lot more balance, probably 20s or 15s, okay? But here, drive that arm up. Here, if you want to go 5 and 5, you can. You could do 30 seconds on one and then switch 30 on the other. So see what she's doing there. Driving that arm up. We're not retaking this video, Juice. 1 and done.
You got it.
Next exercise is square curls. So you just put that kettlebell aside. You're going to take 2 steps forward, keeping those knees nice and low. 2 steps over to the side. 2 steps back, and then you'll go back 2 steps. So just crawling in that square. The slower you go with square crawls, you guys, the harder it's going to be. So challenge yourself with that slow, controlled pace. And then your third exercise here, you'll just flip over. We're going to go single leg glute bridge. So here on your back, drag your elbows into the floor. One leg is straight up, and you're driving up. So right now, Juice is driving up on that left leg. She's making sure that right leg stays right next to it, driving up. This is another one where you can do 5 on one side, and then switch, and do 5 on the other. Now, if you need to, you can just go 2 legs, glute bridges, taking that single leg out of it. We're on to our third pairing. So that's gonna start with TRX, curl to reverse fly. So elbows down in front of you, palms up. You're gonna get that real good bicep curl in, straighten back out, and then you're gonna open up into that TRX, fly, and then reset again. So bicep curl, elbows out in front, moving that body in a plank position. Open those arms out to the side, squeezing those shoulder blades. So you get your bicep curl, and then into that TRX reverse fly. Second exercise here will be half kneeling halo. So you can grab that same kettlebell you were using for that press. You're gonna turn that kettlebell upside down, so you want the ball up, okay? Half kneeling position, ribs are tucked and core is tight, and then you're just haloing that kettlebell around. Notice here how Juice gets that ball all the way back between that big chunk of hair and then back to the front. Now here, you can stay on this side the whole round. You can switch halfway through or wait till the next round to switch knees. And then your last exercise, we're grabbing the trainer again. We're going with our triple squat. So elbows by your sides. You're gonna go reverse lunge, and then squat, okay? Reverse lunge on each side. If you wanna take this up a notch, you can put that jump in there. Lunge jump, and squat jump. You could also challenge yourself a little extra by letting go of the trainers and working your balance and stability a little bit more there. Guys, you doing that for 2 rounds, you guys. Looks like a good one. Nice job, Juice.